today's video we are going to learn how to cite multiple sources done by the same author in the same year using the APA 7 format. So we're asking ourselves, how do we cite multiple sources, multiple works, or multiple sources which are done by the same author in the same year in APA 7th edition. So in other words, we are doing multiple sources by the same author published in the same year. So let us see how we go about it. So I have something here that says for multiple works by the same author published in the same year, use lowercase letters after the year to distinguish between them. So here is the pointer that you should need to note, that in order to differentiate between these sources by the same author in the same year, you need to use lowercase letters after the year to distinguish between them. And what you should note is that you should use these lowercase letters both in in-text citation as well as in reference list to differentiate between them. So for instance, in in-text citation, so we cited the first one whereby it is Hamburg 2020. You put a lowercase letter A. Then for the second citation, you differentiate it with a lowercase letter B, and then the third one a lowercase letter C. So it means that this person has 3 publications in year 2020. So the first one you noted by A, the second one you noted by B, the third one you noted by C. And then when it comes to reference list, so you cite the first reference, so it is Hamburg 2020 A. So that one was the first publication, then B was the second publication, and C means it was the third publications in that year. So when we come to a sample, we can see this is a paragraph. So this is a paragraph, but in this paragraph we want to cite this person 3 times. So the first citation is 2020A, then the second citation is 2020B, then that citation is 2020C. It means that these citations were done by the same author in the same year.